To show you how to make 50 or 100 cedis per day with your smartphone just by using. And the interesting part is you can withdraw the money through your mobile money, your bank account, either you are using Zenith or Bank. So make sure you watch the video from start to finish, because I'm going to be sharing with you guys one of the apps that I've been using to earn passive income for the past 1 week. Is once you click the link in the video description and you create your Bitget account, now you are supposed to download the app. When you download the app, then you do your verification. With the verification, you can either use your Ghana card, your passport, driving license, and if you are from Nigeria, any ID that you have and is accepted in your country, you can use it. So what I'll do next is I'll just click on the deposit button here. Okay, so when I click on the deposit, then I'm going to select USDT. Then I'll select TRX. Remember, the network is TRX. So we'll copy this address. Then we'll go to our Binance. I have some monies in my Binance account. So what I'll do is I'll just click on the spot fiat and spot withdrawal. So I'll click on that place. Okay. Then we'll withdraw, let's say $50 to our Bitget. With the strategy, you can even start with $10. So for me, I usually use my Binance account and do my trading. So you can also use Bitget to do the same thing. So I'll just click here, then I'll click on withdraw. So when I click on withdraw, we know it's USDT. So we'll now add the address. So we just paste this address here. So after pasting the address, the network is TRX. So we select TRX here. Then we'll enter $51. Because we want to withdraw $50, we'll just enter $51. So let's see, this is USDT TRX TRC20. Then we can now go back. Then we'll just click on withdraw. Okay. So when I click on continue here, then we can verify with another way by using email. So they will send a code to my Binance email where I can use it to verify that I'm really the one doing the transaction. So I'll now enter the verification email, the Binance, the withdrawal verification code. Okay, so let's switch to another one. We can use the phone number too. I have my phone number. We have text message here. So they will send me a message. Then I can use that number to open. So I've just withdrawn $51 to my Bitget account. This is my Bitget account. Now let me show you guys how to use the strategy to also start making money. So we'll now click on the trade here. When we click on trade, you click on features. So we click on the features button here. It's just the same thing as trading on the Binance features derivative dashboard. So we'll now use the strategy that I've showed you guys in the earlier videos. So the reason why I even recommend you use Bitget is because with Bitget you are able to get about 200 or even up to 100x leverage. So now we can add the moving averages by removing all these ones. Okay, then we'll click here indicators. So when you click on the indicators, search for moving averages. So we have the exponential moving average, this one. So you select this one. Now we are supposed to edit it. So we have the length is 50. Then we have the smoothing 0. Keep the smoothing at 0. Then you click on save. So each time the moving average is below the candlesticks, you start buying. So remember, we'll change the time frame. I only trade on the 1 hour and 4 hour time frame. So let's go to the 4 hour time frame. Currently in the 4 hour time frame, BTC is currently in a bearish momentum, is falling. But if we change the time frame to 1/8 time frame, we can see BTC is trying to move to the upside. For me, I like buying BTC than selling, because cryptocurrencies are always increasing in value, and you can even see these pin bars showing that the buyers are now coming into control. Look at this huge red candle with a massive move to the upside. Then we have this one too. So we'll now add our price prediction tool where we want to take our profit and loss. So I can click here. Okay, now we'll put our stop loss at the nearest support level. Then our take profit will be 1:3 or 1:4 a risk reward ratio. So we have 1:3 risk reward ratio. It's almost 3 risk reward ratio. So you can now enter a market order. So when we go to the order box, we'll change this limit to market. So when we change it to market, we'll now click on the available balance here. So when I click on the available balance, we are supposed to transfer the money in our Bitget account to our trading account. So you can see we have $50 there. So let's just transfer $10 because I want to show you guys a strategy. So when we transfer $10, now we have $10 there. So we see BTC is currently moving to the upside. So we can enter a long position here with our stop loss at $29,067. So we can click on the TP, the long TP slash SL. Okay, so we'll now enter our take profit. So our take profit is $29,450. So we have $29,450 as our take profit. Then our stop loss is usually, we kept it at the nearest support level, that is $29,067. $29,067. Then we can now add the amount that we want to invest on this trade. Okay, so let's try to drag here. I usually go with 5% of my total account for the cost. So with the cost, we are using about 5%. So the cost is 5%. Okay, then we have our stop loss. Okay, let's enter our stop loss again. Our take profit is 29,458. Because I've changed then we have our stop loss to be 29,067. So this is what is currently. We will lose this amount if the trade goes against us, and we'll earn this amount. Okay, so now let's enter the long position. Okay, so we can go for a long position here, the cost being $1.4. So that's how much we are currently. So let's increase the leverage. So when we increase the leverage, you can see our loss will be 0. This, and this is what the cost is, amount we are risking on the trade. Let's just go with 5% cost. Okay, then we go for a buy position. So when we go for a buy position, we can just click here to confirm the trade. You can see the trade have now appeared in the positions. We have position order histories. Open orders are where the limit and the stop loss are. We have the stop profit and loss here. Then we have the positions here. So if you want to close the trade, you can click here. Flash close means you can close partially. Reversal means if you want to change the trades. So this is how you make $10 to $20 per day with the mobile app called Bitget in 2024. If you want to learn more about these particular strategies, you can just click the first link, join the Telegram group, and text me on WhatsApp. Make sure to also follow me on Binance feed so that you'll be able to receive trades from me anytime that I drop a new video. So when we go to more here, then we click on feed. When we click on feed, you can see this is my account currently. So let me just search for my account here. Okay, let's search for, we have Askanda. So make sure you go and follow Askanda on Binance feed, because every day I share my trades with my community members so that you can also get free trades and start making money with your smartphone. If you have any questions, you can just comment down below or click the first link and join the Telegram group and text me. So as I told you, if you want to close the trade, just click on close position. You can click here to close 50%, 70%, or 25%.